Yo guys, what's up? And wild storm outside. I think why I need to spend my time like for chilling at home, watch some movie. Why do I need doing this like wasting of time? I came to shop and this my part of shop of garage. This where is a Urus R8 Viper and 06, and I'm just trying to make here more space, just move this car because like have shop and only 4 car here, and just look what's going on outside. It's like it's all snow everywhere. I got heater, so no worry, and start to clean in here and just make more space to put more car, you know, and yeah. You know, and all this garbage, some are, you know, some parts, it's like not comfortable when you're working and you're walking like that and falling down on floor. It's like it's not good. So I decided to move these all cars. Like if I don't fix this car right now, I'm gonna move close to wall. Same with R8, close to wall. Viper, this done. I need to replace tire, and I can move this out and just, you know, make more space here in my side. And first what I'm gonna do is I need to clean this side, this space, move 06 close to door, move Viper right here, and Urus close to wall. So I clean right here everything, move Viper and clean everything around Urus, and I have no wheels front, and I decide to put like that. Oops, two side, and right now nobody in shop, so I will try to push by myself. We'll check who I am. I just move a little bit from here, but I got this was bad idea to put jack stand under, because look at this. They start moving, they spin. So before car fall down and messed up, I decide to put battery. So I park Urus right here, and I decide to make double more space here in shop. So I will move this CT5 Blackwing right next to Urus. I'll put like that. Just check this out, how I clean this shop, how this before and after. And look, it's my side, like from here. Look, I got hella space right here. It's Euros CT5 or 8 wiper. And last move which I need to do, let's move 06 right here, so I can have space for other like fast build. Yep, I put this car right here, and that's my last move. So how this look right now and how was before. If you like this video, subscribe, like, comment, and that's it. By the way, that's my next build, you know. Subscribe me to see this build. Bye.